Welcome, guys. So this video, let's solving this. 1 divided by x cubed minus 1 dx. Okay. So yeah. So usually you might think that I will do factorization, right? I will do like I can write x cubed minus 1 into x minus 1 and then times x squared plus x plus 1, right? And I write it and I try to solve it by define this to be this, right? To buy some define a 1 over linear and some denominator, no numerator divided by some linear and the linear divided by some quadratic. Yeah, this is the common strategy, right? But in the previous video, or if you haven't seen this, then I will post a link below. In the previous video that we already used the same thing to prove that dx divided by x cubed plus 1 equals to this. Okay, so suppose that you already know how to prove this. If you don't know, I will post a link. If you know how to do this, then you should be very easy to translate this one to this one. Okay, basically translate. Okay, so this is very easy. You just times minus 1, right? You just times minus 1, so you get this, right? And now this is minus 1 dx minus x cubed plus 1. Okay. So next step will be trivial, right? You just check minus 1, fix preserve this one and the dx, and this minus x cubed change to minus x cubed plus 1. Okay, so suppose this, let's see. Okay, so suppose this term is called f of x, right? Then your this term will be just minus 1 f of negative x. Okay, so now we already have f of x from here. Right, so we can just write down the answer, just minus 1, and then change everything into minus x. So 1 divided by 3, long minus 1 divided plus 1, minus x plus 1, absolute value minus 1 over 6 log x squared plus x plus 1 plus 1 over square root of 3 arctangent minus 2x minus 1 divided by square root of 3. Let's write careful. Yeah, this is arctangent. Okay, so yeah, this is the answer. Okay, so this is just the easy translation idea to solve this s cube plus to solve this x cube minus 1 by knowing the x cube plus 1. So once you know the x cube plus 1, then solving x cube minus 1 will be trivial. Okay, this is just a simple video. Yeah, so if you don't know how to solve this x cube plus 1, I will leave the link below. Okay, so see you guys next videos.